These videos are presented for educational purposes, intended to highlight the potential consequences of unsafe driving practice. They are not intended to sensationalize or glorify accidents, but rather to promote awareness and responsible behavior on the road. Remember that safety on the road is of paramount importance. Obey traffic laws, use seatbelts, avoid distractions, and drive responsibly.
A grey car driver is distracted and doesn't see that the cars ahead have stopped. He reacts at the last second to avoid a collision and swerves to the right, nearly causing an accident. Bus collided with a van which then hit another car. No one was injured. Bus driver claimed the wheels locked up several times when he tried to brake. Maybe he was moving a bit fast. On such a dangerous road, you have to be as careful as possible. A truck driver lost control and as a result, 2 cars went down the cliff. It's a miracle no one was seriously hurt. Here you can blame both drivers, as one of them dangerously changed lanes and the second one was driving fast when the traffic was slow. The light turns red, but the black car driver doesn't slow down and almost hits the pedestrians. Thanks God no one was seriously hurt, but the situation was extremely dangerous.
Now you're stuck in next traffic.
This truck driver was caught by Mazda, and when he thought everything was over, a white Acura did just the same. Put yourself at truck's driver place. He faced 2 dumb drivers in just 30 seconds.
Jesus Christ! What the fuck is with these idiots?
I wonder how much time it took him to realize he was driving the wrong way. The BMW driver realized that his maneuver would be dangerous and he hoped to get through in time, but he failed. Awful driving. A man was driving at high speed when the Honda driver suddenly swerved into his lane and almost caused a big accident. Extremely reckless driving. And this driver suddenly changed his mind and swerved back to the lane without looking. At least he used his blinker and waved to apologize. Traffic stops, but there is one driver who forgot to brake, being distracted, or maybe his brakes were disabled. Anyway, at least 3 cars were damaged. And here good brakes helped to avoid a collision when a Jeep driver made a dangerous U-turn in front of the other vehicle. A driver was reaching a dangerous turn when a flying wheel hit him. Fortunately, a man didn't lose control of his car. A young man didn't check both sides well and pulled out in front of an elderly woman. Fortunately, everyone was fine. And this truck driver acted like a real fool, putting hundreds of people in danger. Thanks God there were no serious consequences except for the crushed car. A driver was not going fast, so he managed to brake on time to avoid a collision with the reckless black car driver. And here you can see driver's reaction on this dumb driver.
I stalled them, I'm like, they're not stopping.
A driver in a rush was driving high speed and wasn't able to avoid a collision with the vehicle that was turning left. Insane driver tries to overtake camera in left lane and loses control under an overpass because of rainy weather. And this accident was caused by the pig, and I mean a real pig. I have no idea what happened to this BMW driver, but this was really strange.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for not to miss new videos on our channel. See you soon, friends.